Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2001 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. The 2's complement representation of minus 17 is 2's complement representation of minus 17 means it is negative value of minus of, that is negative of 17, that is nothing but a positive number 17 is available. For that one, if you take negative at that time, that will be treated as minus 17. So how do you represent negative numbers? And in digital, negative numbers represented by using either signed magnitude or 1's complement or 2's complement. So for example, x is going to be a positive number, x is a positive number, and if you take 2's complement of x implies nothing but that is equal to minus x. So if you want to get 2's complement of x, that is nothing but minus x. At that time, you must know the positive number, and for that positive number you must take the 2's complement. So here 2's complement representation of minus 17 is nothing but here minus 17. How you are representing in 2's complement? That is nothing but you are going for the 2's complement of 17. 2's complement of 17 is nothing but minus 17. That is nothing but 2's complement representation, because 2's complement is nothing but it is used to represent negative numbers. So for 17 positive number, if you take 2's complement, that will be equivalent to 2's complement representation of minus 17. So 2's complement of 17 is nothing but 2's complement of 17 you will get by using 1's complement of 17 plus 1. So how do you write 17? Generally we know that 17 is going to be represented as 1 0 0 0 1. This is what 17, but this is 5-bit representation, and is this right? That is whether this 17 representation with 5 bits is right or wrong, because you are going for the 2's complement, that is nothing but a given number is going to be represented. If you want to represent positive numbers along with negative numbers, negative and positive numbers, by that time you must specify whether the given number is positive or negative. Generally, to know the number is positive or negative, at that time the general rule is nothing but you must check about the MSB. You must check, and if MSB is going to be 0, by that time it is positive number, and if MSB is going to be 1, by that time it is negative number. Remember that one. Whenever in any representation, if it is used for the negative as well as positive numbers, by that time to distinguish for a given number whether it is positive or negative, at that time you must check about the MSB bit. If the MSB bit is 0, at that time that is positive number. If the MSB bit is 1, at that time that is negative number. Now if you are going to say it as plus 17, we are writing, but for plus 17 you are starting with 1. So this 10001 representation is not valid whenever you are including negative numbers. So along with this one you must place 10 over here. So you cannot represent plus 17 by using 5 bits. That is the representation. The meaning is nothing but plus 17 you cannot represent with 5 bits. You require 6 bits minimum to represent plus 17, because you must check about the MSB, and MSB has to be 0 to say it is plus, and the magnitude value is 10001. So this is 6-bit. Now it is 6-bit representation of 17. So to represent plus 17, definitely it requires 6 bits whenever the number system is also representing negative numbers. If it is only representing positive numbers, at that time 5 bits are sufficient, because there is no negative numbers, we know. That is unsigned representation. But whenever you are including signed numbers also, by that time it requires a minimum of 6 bits. Remember that one. Now this is 010001 is nothing but plus 17. For that one, 1's complement of 010001 is nothing but 101110, and 1 at LSB. So this is 2's complement representation of 17. So this is minus 17. 2's complement representation. So the answer is 10111. So the answer is B. Thank you.